Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I feel that my commentary is redundant. We can just marvel at this beauty in silence if we need to. I had the privilege of giving a maintenance wash to this beautiful 2017 911 Porsche Carrera S. The car itself is quite clean. There are a few imperfections on the paint as the owner had just come back from a lengthy drive and was desperate to get them rectified as he is a self-proclaimed very fussy owner. This car in particular has a factory Porsche power kit upgrade. The noise and sound this car makes is a joy to behold. Stay tuned as we start it up later and give it a few revs. You have to hear this thing. This car is also highly optioned with PPK transmission, rear torque steer, sports chronograph and sunroof, which is extremely rare to find. The 2017 911 Carrera S won several awards including the Auto Build Sports Car of the Year and Rob Report Car of the Year award. So as always, we start with the wheels. We first hit the wheels with some water. We then start the clean by getting behind the wheels and cleaning the barrel. We then go over the tyre with the tyre brush. And we then clean the face of the wheel with a small brush, ensuring we don't scratch the wheel. We then go over the caliper and the rotor at the back of the face of the wheel. Then we rinse that off and come away with a nice clean wheel. Now it's time for the snow foam. This will leave a nice lubricant surface for us to do the contact wash without scratching the paint, while also giving the car a minor clean. Please enjoy these cinematic shots of the car.
All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at a getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-fold weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Now we give the car a quick rinse. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to give it a contact wash straight after.
Gotta speed up, get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot, dope.
So it's time for the contact wash. As always, we try to use straight lines when we use the microfiber sponge to minimize the swirls. Then we rinse that off. So after that, we hit it with a leaf blower so that majority of the water, to get the majority of the water off and blow into any areas that the water may build up, especially the areas that we can't reach with a microfiber towel. Enjoy this. Wow, what a machine. It's a shame we didn't get the cold start, however, it's still very impressive nonetheless. So now it's time to go over the car with the microfiber to dry the remaining water on the vehicle with the assist of a drying aid or a quick detailer. I absolutely love this car. I think the historic value that Porsche bring, especially the mark they made in motorsport, is astronomical and is stamped with the 911 series. This car in particular was part of the 991.2 generation, which was introduced in 2016 and was the first time they featured turbocharged engines across the Carrera range. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, which is basically 0 to 100 kilometers per hour for my English and Australian viewers. So it is a very, very quick car. So then we finish off with the tyre black. And there we have it. What a beautiful car. As always, thanks for watching. If you could please like, comment and subscribe, that would really help my channel. Thanks again.